Well, we got sports on. We don't even watch sports.
It's the Olympics.
That looks like basketball to me.
Don't give him that one.
Mmm. Isn't that good?
Yum.
Isn't that good, kid?
Yummy. Is that yummy?
I think he wants more. Look at that big cake for you, and you're not gonna eat it, dude? That's a big cake. All for you.
Yum.
For your first birthday.
Yum. Yummy.
It's okay to be messy because we clean it up.
It's your birthday. Make a mess. Not in your hair, though. Want me to give you more? Mmm. Look, Mom will have some too. Look, Eden. Mmm.
Yeah.